How to send automated welcomes emails to new customer via n8n. Imagine this, guys. You open your email dashboard tomorrow morning and see hundreds of welcome emails already sent to new customer, personalized, perfectly formatted and timed according to their time zone. You didn't touch a single draft or template. Sounds like magic, is not. Is the automation done right? This workflow will detect new customer in your CRM or Google Sheet, will personalize each email automatically, will send email via Gmail SMTP at the optimal time, and you'll log delivery and responses for analytics. You'll predict outcomes at each step. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the cron trigger, the trigger node that will wake the flow. How often should new customer be checked? Choose the frequency yourself. Every day, every 10 minutes, every hour. Does this cron trigger? Wakes the workflow and triggers new customer detection. Let's see the second node. The Google Sheets, get new customer. Where do new customer appear first? Could be a Google Sheet, could be a Airtable or a CRM like the hotspot. What it does? Collect new customer data to pass the downstream. Operation is to read because we read the rows to get the new contacts. After that, you have the function node to format the email, to make it personally. How will your email feel human? Using dynamic fields, first name, company, sign up date, or custom names. What it does? Produces a ready to send email object for each customer. The Gmail node. Which email service will you use? Gmail, SMTP, or any supported provider in n8n. So operation is the send email. What it does, send fully personalized emails automatically respecting send limits and time zone if needed. After that, you need to track the success with the Google Sheets. How will you know the workflow worked? Log sent emails or update the CRM with a welcome sent flag. The fields will be the status, the timestamp, and the email sent. Operation will be update to update the row and the contact record. What it does, keep the record in sync and tracks workflow performance. This is the fully automated interactive and ensures each new customer receives a timely personal welcome. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.